Hi, if you are watching this video, you are probably a Serverless Framework plugin author. We are currently working on version 3, and while it isn't released yet, this is the beta version. The main change in version 3 is the CLI output. We've redesigned it, made it more minimalistic, removed noise, basically better, good looking. So I will let you appreciate the new design on the right side. What I have here is a very small, simple serverless framework project with two functions, and I have written a plugin. I want to show you the new API we added for plugins so that they can integrate in that new design and provide a great experience for users. I will wait for that to finish. On the left side, my plugin is very simple. I've defined a new command called foo, and this is the hook where I add the logic for my command. Now, if you wanted to, add a custom command or even add some logs in the deploy history here, usually you would use console.log or the official API, which is serverless CLI.log. Those two approaches are now deprecated. We have new APIs for that. And as you can see on the right side, as I said, the main changes is less colors. We've gone with only a few colors like gray, a bit of red and white. So anyway, to write to the output, we added a new write text helper. Those helpers are injected into the plugin constructor. Now, if I run my command, write text will write to the standard output. And this is how you write, the output of your commands. Use write text in your commands, not, for example, to integrate with other commands like serverless deploy or serverless package. To integrate with those commands, for example, you have a hook in initialize. In that case, you don't want to use write text. You don't want to mess out the standard output. Instead, use log. Log is injected here as well. You can log at the normal level, but you can also log at the verbose level, in which case, if I run serverless package, my message will not appear. It will appear, however, if I use -- verbose. That new verbose mode is also something new in v3, and you can see my message here. Those are logs from the serverless framework. I can log warnings as well. We have different log levels. Now, in every case, we take care of the formatting. We add the colors. You don't have to think about that. You can log errors as well. And that's a great way to have a consistent formatting across all plugins and all commands. Now, the fun stuff. Logging, writing text, that's cool. But we can also, and you can create interactive progress, just like we've seen in the serverless deploy command. Let me just copy a piece of code. With the new progress API, again, injected in the constructor, you can create your own progress. Here, I will wait. Actually, let's wait for 3 seconds so that you can see the progress running. And my message will show up. The progress is spinning, and we are done. You can also update the progress with a new message. Let's wait again. You can integrate those new progresses in existing commands or in your own commands as well. The last thing I want to show is integrating in serverless info output. That's something pretty common that we've noticed. And we added an API for that. So instead of writing with the same formatting that we used, you can call the add service output section API. Let's say your plugin deploys a custom domain. Just add that. And a new section will be added with the correct formatting here. This is just a preview of the new API that is available. We are going to publish the documentation on the serverless.com website. And by the time this video is published, you should be able to view all the documentation. This is just a quick introduction to the new API. If you have feedback, we are really interested. And I hope We hope you will enjoy this new design and these new APIs. Thank you for watching.